Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Deep EO with friends step by step. Start by opening the Deep EO menu and choose Private Server or Party Mode, then set your preferred map and rules. Invite friends using the room code or the share link and agree on a playstyle like Team, Free for All, or Tag. Test the connection briefly, confirm everyone can spawn, and troubleshoot any lag before diving into matches together for smoother teamwork. Open the Party menu and select the best server region for everyone, focusing on low ping to avoid lag. Assign roles like Attacker, Defender, or Support so everyone knows expectations, and choose consistent tank classes to balance the team. Use a simple rule set for friendly fire and respawns to reduce conflict, and confirm that everyone has the correct skins and controls so gameplay is synchronized and fun from the first round. During matches, keep communication clear and brief, calling targets and when to retreat so teammates can react fast. Coordinate upgrade choices so one player focuses on damage while another builds defense or speed for support. Control choke points and use flanking maneuvers to split enemies, and rotate when objectives shift to maintain map dominance. Praise good plays and review mistakes between rounds to improve teamwork and match outcomes steadily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.